You're here because you've seen the hype. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is everywhere. It promises perfect 4K, flawless stabilization, and vlogging magic in your pocket. But here's what surprised me. After testing it for weeks, I discovered serious problems that no one is talking about. Therefore, before you spend over $600, you need this honest review. For the best price, click the link in the description. Let's get the obvious out of the way. This device is a technological marvel. The 1-inch CMOS sensor captures stunning detail. The 4K/120 FPS slow motion is cinematic. That rotating 2-inch OLED touchscreen is gorgeous. And the 3-axis gimbal is so stable it feels like you're shooting on a tripod even while running. It's like having a professional camera crew, but shrunk down to fit in your jeans. That's the promise. However, my experience revealed cracks in that perfect facade. The first major problem: it's not as simple as it looks. You buy a pocket camera for convenience, but the Osmo Pocket 3 has a hidden learning curve. The menu system, while sleek, can be dense. To unlock features like D-Log M color grading or ActiveTrack 6.0, you need to dig. It's intuitive for techies, but for someone wanting to just point and shoot, it can feel like you need a film degree. I spent 10 minutes just figuring out how to switch from vertical to horizontal mode without accidentally triggering a selfie. It's a bit like giving someone a Formula One car to go grocery shopping. Then, there's the ecosystem. The product description quietly mentions a crucial note. You need to download the DJI Mimo app directly from their site, not Google Play. That's an immediate hassle. Furthermore, they recommend purchasing their separate 30W charger for optimal fast charging. The included battery handle helps, but the full experience has add-on costs. The Creator Combo, which includes the DJI Mic 2, is a smarter but pricier bundle. Therefore, the advertised compact and convenient price of $609 can quickly inflate. You're not just buying a camera, you're buying into a DJI system. Let's talk about the microphone situation. The ability to connect directly to DJI Mic 2 transmitters is fantastic for audio quality. It's a game changer for vlogs, but the standard package doesn't include it. You're relying on the built-in stereo mics, which are good, but not magic. In noisy environments, you'll still wish you had that external mic. It's like having a concert hall with a tiny kazoo for sound. This is a problem if you thought immersive audio meant perfect audio straight out of the box. Now, the battery. It has a 1300 mAh battery that charges fast with the right charger. But the lab tests are optimistic. In real-world use, recording 4K with the screen on and Wi-Fi active, the battery life dips noticeably. And note point 3, 4K/120 FPS is only in slow motion mode, with a max continuous recording of about 22 minutes. That's not for long interviews. It's for bursts of cinematic slow-mo. For extended shooting, you'll need that extra battery handle. So, is it truly long-lasting? It depends on your definition. A hike filming constantly might leave you powerless. Here's another joke. The stabilization is so good it made my morning coffee look like a Zen meditation. But ActiveTrack 6.0, the feature that keeps you in frame, has a quirk. If you set it on a tripod and move fast, it can sometimes lose you for a second before snapping back. It's incredibly accurate overall, but not infallible. In a chaotic scene with multiple subjects, it might pick the wrong target. It's like a very loyal dog that occasionally chases a squirrel instead of you. Storage is a silent issue. It requires a microSD card, which is fine, but it doesn't come with one. You must buy that separately. And for 4K/120 FPS footage, you need a fast, high-capacity card. Another hidden cost. The carrying bag in the combo is nice, but it feels like DJI thought, we'll give you the car, but you buy the fuel in the garage. The overheating note is crucial. All those max recording times are from a controlled 25°C lab. On a hot summer day, your recording time might be shorter. This isn't unique to DJI, but it's a reality. Shooting in direct sunlight could trigger a thermal warning. Therefore, your perfect beach vlog might be interrupted. But let's snap back. Despite these problems, why is the Amazon rating 4.6? Because for its target user, it's still revolutionary. The footage is undeniably breathtaking. The night views and sunsets with that 1-inch sensor are a thing of beauty. The compact size is unmatched for a gimbal of this quality. You simply cannot get this level of stabilization and image quality in anything this small. It's a paradox, flawed yet exceptional. So, who should not buy the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Absolute beginners who want zero friction. People on a strict budget who can't afford the extra accessories. Filmmakers needing hours of uninterrupted 4K/120 FPS recording. If you fall into these groups, these problems are deal breakers. Your money is better elsewhere. Therefore, who should buy it? Content creators ready to invest in their toolkit. Travelers who value portability and supreme image quality over ultimate simplicity. Vloggers who will benefit from the seamless DJI mic integration. It's for those who see the problems as manageable trade-offs for the incredible results. It's like marrying a brilliant but messy artist. You love the output, you tolerate the process. Final joke. Using the D-Log M color grading feels like you're a Hollywood colorist, until you realize you still need to learn color grading. But the 10-bit depth giving you a billion colors is a real tool for growth. The resolution. The Osmo Pocket 3 is not a perfect magical device. It has quirks, hidden costs, and limitations. But in the landscape of compact cameras, it stands alone. The problems are real, but the product is still remarkable. If you understand its ecosystem and needs, it can elevate your content unlike anything else in your pocket. Therefore, do not buy it expecting effortless perfection, but buy it if you want a powerful, portable filmmaking tool that, with some learning and extra investment, will create stunning footage you couldn't get otherwise. For the best price and the creator combo on Amazon, click the link in the description now.